Just the essence of female empowerment really drawed me, and that the fact that I could kick some ass. Oh, it was just wonderful. The women are wonderful, and so are the guys. But they were really wonderful. We all got along so well, so it was really nice experience. I play Jurnee Montoya. She's a detective of Gotham PD, and she's on the hunt for Roman Sionis, played by Ewan McGregor, and then she runs into Harley Quinn. So some kick-ass fun. That's what they're gonna get. So it's gonna be really nice. She is one of the most professional young actresses I've worked with, in front of and behind the camera. She was just amazing as an executive producer. She really was, and she was a true team player, and I really loved working with her. Fun, it's fun.